Hi, my name is Kellen. I'm a professional pest control operator for both Bengal products and Bengal Pro exterminators. Today we're going to walk you through how to do DIY pest control using Bengal products. Roaches are experts at hiding. They live behind your refrigerator, inside cabinets, under appliances, and deep inside cracks and crevices. The problem is, most sprays only kill the bugs you can see. Bengal Roach Spray works differently. It has a special flushing action that forces hidden roaches out of their hiding spots. And here's the interesting part. Flushing is actually a step that professional exterminators use when we are treating for roaches. The bugs won't stay out in the open, so you have to drive them out first. That's exactly what Bengal helps you do. When you spray along baseboards, behind appliances, under sinks, and around cracks and crevices, the flushing action pushes roaches out from where they're hiding, bringing them right into the spray. So instead of just killing the roaches you see, Bengal Roach Spray helps you get the ones you don't.